Leaving the hotel, about to go into the next destination. Adventures of Will. Let's do this. Barbados. You see where we're going right now?
We're heading to St. Nicholas Abbey, one of the 2 only remaining Jacobean mansions located in the Western Hemisphere.
Oh wow. And another fun fact about Barbados. Did you know this is the birthplace of Rihanna? Right, Yusuf?
That's right.
So we're here for a private rum tasting tour, and you're coming along with me. So now we're about to go down for a cocktail, and we're in this amazing, gorgeous room.
So never mind, it's called an abbey. It's really not an abbey. It's an old sugar plantation great house, okay? It was built by an English gentleman in the 1650s, so the house is very English. And as we go through, we will see a lot of old pieces of furniture and china. None of it is original to the house, but a lot of pieces are dating back to about 200 years. And everything you see in here would have belonged to the Cave family from Bristol, England. And that family had owned the property from 1822 right down to 2006. So a collection of 6 different generation stuff. Some pieces would be at different periods, okay?
So we made it to the end of the tour, and now we're trying some Barbados rum here. This is the single barrel, and it's 12 years old. Let's taste it. A little bit more sweeter than other rums. The reason why, because this is made with sugarcane, so it's a little bit more sweeter, but very, very nice. Cheers. Guys, our next stop here is at Hunte's Garden. Man, y'all know that I love this. Nature everywhere. You can hear birds. I mean, got that guy right there. Barry telling people what's up. Look at these gardens and everything, guys. All right, so just left Hunte's Garden. Now we're at Eco. So Eco Lodge, beautiful place as well. A lot of foliage, a lot of beautiful trees, greenery, good vibes, and it's also close to the beach. So basically, we're in the country of Barbados. Let's go see what we can snack on and what we can eat, y'all. Food has arrived. Look at this. All right, so this is the breadfruit chips. All right, next stop is a real island safari tour. Open Jeep. How are we gonna hop into this thing? How you doing, brother?
I'm like a cucumber buddy. I'm cool.
Will, nice.
I'm cool.
Nice to meet you.
I'm getting better.
Yeah, what's your name?
Klein.
Klein.
From Mr. Calvin Klein.
Oh, Klein. That's Klein right here. Mr. Klein right here. Well, let's go. Woo! It's Sunday evening. Everybody's partying here in Barbados. Asian people are great. Oh, these views are incredible. Wow. Yes. All right, y'all, so we stopped for a pit stop at Animal Flower Cave right here. Beautiful views. The water down here is a dark, deep blue. I'm gonna show y'all around real quick. Hey, man.
Patel.
Patel, nice to meet you, Patel.
Thanks.
Patel's down here fish. What's your name, man?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. I got a lot of friends named Mohammed.
What's your name?
Will. Will Edmond.
Will Edmond.
Yeah, you gonna follow? You gonna be on this video?
Follow me on Instagram.
Okay, give you a shout out.
AF Patel.
Yes. Y'all, look at this view. Guys, wow, this view is amazing. Yes.
Come to Barbados. Just keep on coming here often.
Often, okay, I get there soon. Y'all born and raised here?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Do you catch big fish here?
Well, this is the first time we came here. Will I check your line? Will I check your line?
Oh, something is on there. This is my first time here in Barbados and it's absolutely beautiful. It is gorgeous. See y'all next time, guys.
Yeah. Barbados homies.
Yes. See you later, brother. Be easy.
Where's Will Edmond?
Will Edmond on YouTube. Find me. Subscribe. Yes, share with your friends and your family. That's pretty awesome. That is so awesome. Wow.